Let me show you how simple it is to lend your money out using Hifi. First, navigate to the app and click on Lend at the top of this screen. Begin by connecting your wallet to Hifi by clicking here. Then select any one of these supported wallets. In this instance, I'll be using MetaMask. You'll know you've successfully connected when you see your ETH balance load in the top right corner of the interface. From this list of markets here, click which market you want to lend to. In this case, there's only one market to choose from. When I click, a dialog pops up asking how much USDC I'd like to lend. Today, I'm going to lend out $1,000. You can see the estimated APY update accordingly. As you can see, I'm set to earn over 5% on my money, and because Hifi is a fixed rate protocol, that rate will be locked in for the duration of the market. I hit lend, and my wallet will prompt me to approve USDC for lending. Sign the transaction by clicking here. Next, I'm prompted to execute the transaction we just approved. Hit confirm. Once that transaction is confirmed, you'll see the interface update with your lending balance. And in just a few clicks, you put your assets to work on Hifi.